Hey everyone, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and I am here in Paris. And today I thought I would take you guys somewhere that's kind of different, but it's somewhere I've really wanted to go to for a long time, and my Paris itineraries have never really allowed for it. But today my Paris itineraries do allow for it because I put my foot down and said, nope, I am going. So I woke up at 6 a.m., got on a metro, took it for an hour, and I am here in the northeast end of Paris at Pere Lachaise Cemetery, which is the largest cemetery in Paris and the most visited cemetery in the world. Lauren, why do I want to go to a cemetery? Well, cemeteries here are a lot different than they are in the US. They're all above ground. They honestly look like beautiful works of art. And then there's also a lot of notable people buried here. Most famously Jim Morrison, Oscar Wilde, Gertrude, Stein, people like that. So I'm going to take you to see everything. They are just about to open and we are going to head in. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please do by clicking on the button below. We make travel videos as often as we can, and then we do how-to videos and helpful videos along the way when we are at home. I do this channel with my husband Brian, but he is not here because I am in Paris for a work trip. But next month we will be heading out to a trip with the whole family, so stay tuned. All right, let's go see the cemetery. I had to squat the whole time, that hurt. Okay, so the next tomb we're gonna go see is a little bit interesting. It is the tomb of Victor Noir, which he was sculpted exactly as he looked when he was killed. It didn't take people very long to notice the little bulge in his pants. And now women from all over come to touch it for like a fertility wish. And they say it works. I'm not gonna touch it because I don't need to, you know, have another baby. Mine's 15, that's enough. They also kiss the lips too. And some people touch it for good luck. I don't think I'm gonna touch it though. I'll just go ahead and rub it because that's what you're supposed to do. It's all wet. I decided that I rubbed it for all of you women that really want to have a baby. So that is for you. Alright, it's all fenced off, which is kind of funny. guys, I have spent just over 2 hours here, so that is it for me today because I have a scheduled ticket to go to a museum in a little bit. I need to head there now. So thanks so much for hanging out with me today. It was not busy here whatsoever. So if you do find yourself in Paris, definitely come right when this place opens. It'll probably take you 30 to 40 minutes to get here depending on where you're staying. And any notable grave that you want to go to, like Jim Morrison's, get here as early as possible and immediately just go see that, and there won't be a crowd. People are definitely starting to come in right now. So hope you guys are subscribed to this channel. Please give me a comment, or if you want me to do any other type of video, please let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.